Welcome to my detailed review of Bosley, a brand that's been in the hair restoration game for decades. If you've been looking into treatments for thinning hair or early-stage alopecia, you've probably come across Bosley. But is it really effective? Or just another hyped-up solution? In this video, I take you inside the actual Bosley experience, what works, what doesn't, and what you need to know before spending your money. First off, the Bosley website is clean, professional, and packed with information, though it can be a bit overwhelming at first. You're greeted with a breakdown of their core offerings, hair regrowth products, DHT blocking shampoos, and even surgical options like hair transplants. What stood out to me right away was the promise of FDA-approved ingredients in their non-prescription solutions, like minoxidil and their proprietary Bosley MD formulas. Navigating the product section, Bosley sells individual treatments and kits designed for men and women separately, targeting different stages of hair loss. I opted for the 3-step system kit, which includes the shampoo, conditioner, and topical treatment. Ordering was smooth, and I received my package within 5 business days. The packaging is clinical but premium, and everything was well labeled with usage instructions. After using the system for a full 90 days, here's the truth. The products do improve scalp health, and I noticed reduced shedding within the first month. However, dramatic regrowth didn't kick in until around the 2-month mark, and even then, it was subtle. It's not a miracle cure, but if you're consistent, you'll likely see some progress. That said, the products are expensive, and you need to keep using them to maintain results. If you stop, like I did briefly, you'll probably see some regression. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another downside is that some users may experience scalp irritation or dryness, especially in the early weeks. I recommend starting with the shampoo alone and easing into the full routine. Customer service is responsive, but their subscription model can be tricky. Make sure you understand the terms before you sign up. I had to call them to cancel my auto-renewal, which wasn't as easy as it should have been. Also worth noting, Bosley offers consultations for surgical hair restoration, and while I didn't opt for that route, I did explore their virtual consultation feature. It's free and gives you a solid understanding of your hair loss stage, though it does feel like a soft sales pitch at times. In terms of ingredients, Bosley is transparent. You'll find biotin, saw palmetto, and niacin, all common in hair support formulas. But remember, hair regrowth is a slow process, and not everyone responds the same way. My honest take? Bosley is a legitimate option if you're committed, patient, and ready to invest long-term. Just don't expect overnight miracles, and always read the fine print. If this review helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more real product reviews, and drop your own experiences in the comments below.